Have you ever experienced day turning into night? This might sound like a puzzle, but it's a phenomenon that takes place during an event known as a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse, in its simplest terms, is when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, temporarily obscuring the sun from our view. Think of it as the moon photobombing the sun, if you will. Now, solar eclipses aren't a daily occurrence. They're quite rare, in fact. And even rarer is the total solar eclipse, where the moon completely covers the sun, casting a shadow that turns day into night. Animals get confused, temperatures drop, and for a few magical minutes, we see stars in the daytime. On April 8th, 2024, we're in for a treat. A total solar eclipse will grace our skies, a spectacle that won't be repeated for another 375 years. Now, wouldn't you want to witness such a rare and fascinating celestial event? So, what should you expect when the solar eclipse takes place? Well, the spectacle kicks off with the partial phase. This is when the moon starts to edge its way in front of the sun. It's a gradual process, as the moon takes its time to cover the sun, bit by bit. You'll notice a slight dimming of the light around you, like someone is slowly turning down a dimmer switch. Then comes the total phase. This is when the moon fully obscures the sun, and day turns into night. The temperature drops, the stars come out, and the world holds its breath in the sudden darkness. It's a sight to behold, a moment of awe and wonder. But it doesn't last forever. As the moon continues its journey, the total phase ends. The sun begins to peek out from behind the moon, growing brighter and warmer, reclaiming its place in the sky. And just like that, the sun reemerges and daylight returns. Now, let us talk about the upcoming event on April 8th, 2024. This is no ordinary date, my friends. On this day, we will witness a celestial spectacle of epic proportions. A total solar eclipse will occur, visible from many parts of the world. Yes, you heard it right, a total solar eclipse. Imagine this: the moon, in its silent voyage around our planet, aligns perfectly between us and the sun. Gradually, a shadow will creep across the sun's face, turning daylight into an eerie twilight. As the moon fully covers the sun, day will surrender to an uncanny night. You'll feel a noticeable drop in temperature, as if nature herself has turned down the thermostat. And don't be surprised if you see animals acting strangely. They, too, get confused by this abrupt switch from day to night. Remember to mark your calendars, because it will be a sight you won't want to miss. Why is the 2024 solar eclipse so special, you might ask? Well, this isn't your run-of-the-mill celestial phenomenon. This occurrence is rarer than a blue moon, and it's something we won't see again for the next 375 years. You see, a solar eclipse of this magnitude is a scientific marvel. It provides a unique opportunity for astronomers and scientists to study the sun's corona and chromosphere in detail, revealing secrets about our star that are usually hidden behind its blinding brilliance. But the significance of this eclipse extends beyond the realm of science. It is a spectacle of nature that transcends cultures and borders, uniting people in shared awe and wonder. It's a reminder of our place in the vast universe, a humbling and beautiful experience that can inspire poetry, art, and even spark philosophical debates. So, get ready, because on April 8th, 2024, we are in for a celestial treat that won't come around again for centuries.